Uh, my question's for Dr. Klasko, big fan of yours. I want to talk about the doctor side, the creation of the next generation of doctors. You were unique in admitting to medical college people with degrees in history or music and things like that. I'd be interested in your thinking on that. And also, how are we changing the education processes at the medical level with technology? And is the future degree, undergrad degree, since data is so important for medical colleges, is it a degree in math or physics or something like that?
You know what, I'm so glad you brought that up because it's the non-tech biggest problem we have. We still accept medical students based on science GPA, MedCats, and organic chemistry grades, and somehow we're just amazed that doctors aren't more empathetic, communicative, and creative, right? Like, and you know, so in essence, the way we choose, to your point, the way we choose medical students is that everybody's going to be a physician scientist at Yale. Not that there's anything wrong with physician scientists at Yale, but that's probably why we don't have people thinking about health disparities and that kind of thing. So we started the first medical school in the country at University of South Florida, where we erased all the objective criteria and chose students based on self-awareness, empathy, communication skills, and cultural competence. Just give you one quick example. We took them to an art museum, and it was a really abstract painting, a guy in a black turtleneck, woman in a white dress, and a snake. What do you see? I see a guy in a black turtleneck, a woman in a white dress, and a snake. Okay, yeah, but what are you feeling? What's the emotion? There are some applicants that couldn't get beyond what they see. There are other applicants that could tell the story. And you might say, Steve, why does that matter? I've delivered about 2,000 babies. It's pretty easy delivering an 8-pound baby to a normal 28-year-old. I mean, easy for me to say, I'm on the other end, but it's incredibly difficult delivering an unscheduled Down syndrome baby. And 100% of the time, the first question will be, doctor, what does it mean? I've watched good analytic obstetricians talk about the 21st chromosome or the medical complications. I've watched great obstetricians get the, what does it mean? What does that mean to my image of a perfect baby? And right away we'll say, this is a beautiful baby. I'll get you together with other people that have beautiful babies like that. The reason that's so important is there's a 100% chance there's going to be a Google Brain or something that will take a picture of that baby 10 years from now and tell me what's chromosomally wrong with it. So I don't care if you can memorize all that stuff, at least for that kind of physician. So yes, you're right. We need to look at, just like we need to look at technology differently, we need to look at the human factor in a very, very different way.
Look deeper.